Okay, so hello everyone. I'm gonna show you how to build a personal site using Contentlayer. So if you have Markdown or MDX file and then you want to build a personal site like this, uh, using Contentlayer is quite easy, and also you ChakaraUI. So overall, this is my personal page. All the content are generated from MDX Markdown. So before we begin coding, Contentlayer gonna convert the MDX MD into React components. When we have React components, we can do routing in NextJS. We can apply styles to the generated components, and then we provide styles using ChakaraUI and the MDX component hook. So uh, let's get started. Okay, so let's create a project called my site in TypeScript. So we're creating an NextJS project. I already prepared the node and script here, and then we add content layer. Content layer gonna convert the Markdown and MDX to React components, and we also add ChakaraUI because we can use the components and style from ChakaraUI and apply to the generated components. I think it takes a minute. Okay, and add ChakaraUI. So the project structure, we're gonna have post. That is our markdown content. So let's create it. Okay, and we also need some configuration file. This contentlayer.config.js. Okay, I think now it's okay. So let me update some more configuration file. We add base and we add path. We also add the this one. Okay, and we also update the next.config file. So what is it? This is a schema. For example, our posts have fields, title, description, and date. So this is schema, and this schema helps Contentlayer to convert your MDX into React components. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the post one. It has title, description, and date. Then post 2, we just change one number. Post 3, and post 4. Okay, so you see it have title, description, and date, and this schema is needed. So Contentlayer can convert the MDX to React components and test it. That about some configuration. Okay, now let's run and see. Okay, this is the default NextJS. So let's update our let's look the so this is the project structure. I need to copy, sorry, into here and move the post inside this. Okay, so this is how the project structure. We have 4 posts and we're gonna make a block with a list of 4 posts. Okay, this is content layers. So no generated content yet. uh, let me run again to see can it generate content or not yet. So so this is yeah, it already generated content, the JSON file. Okay, so now we're gonna use a component and style it. That's it. We need to change this, and wait me. So we're gonna add okay, in pages, sorry, we add post. Okay, okay, let me copy the code from my GitHub so it's easier. Page and the post and slug. Okay, we'll just copy it. And let me explain it a bit. So So let's say we import all the posts already generated, and now we imported it here. And how to style it, right? So we're gonna use the useMDXComponent, and then for each post we load the post.body.code, and then we style it by MDX component. And in the MDX components we define the style. Okay, and the get static pass and get static props from next.js to pre-render those posts for us. So that's it. Save it. And now we're gonna update the app.txt. We need to provide an provider. Okay, and that's it. Let's see. Okay, now we import all the posts here, and use this. I'm gonna copy it. I think this we update the index. Okay, so we need to import the all the posts. Okay, and we define one post, but before that I'm gonna uh, delete this line, and then I map my post here. I mean inside the grid. Dot map post. I'm gonna make an post. Okay, and we use the same thing here. We just reuse it so it's easier. Okay, and key, and I'm gonna delete. Okay, let me check. this one would sorry. Okay, and in here post.url, and this one is the post.title. Okay, this one is post description. Okay, so let's go to the first post. Okay, so that's it. This is a content, generated content. This is the MDX content. Okay, and this is a style. We just style h1 and h2. If you want more complicated style, like the button or the code, check in my GitHub. You're gonna see how I add more style. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how I deploy it, how I host it in Amplify. I think we need to update one file, the package. Okay. So now Amplify it create resources in the cloud, and next step we're gonna add hosting. So I also take notes how to do it. So we init, we add hosting, and we choose the most simple way. We choose manually deploy it. There are other options. For example, you can integrate with CloudFront, or you're gonna integrate with the full CI/CD pipeline. This option gonna support the hybrid NextJS. In this case, it's just a static. So now I'm at hosting. I choose manual deploy. Now I amplify publish. Maybe it gonna have some errors. Not sure. So now it will run npm run build and npm export, and then it deploy all the static files. But this option doesn't have the CloudFront. You also can deploy. You also can host in Vercel. So it generating 4 static files. Hopefully no error. Oh, so something, one error happened. Let me check. Okay, let me fix it. We need to update an config file. Next.js. No, not this one. Okay. So I already prepare it. Actually, we don't need this. We don't need this, but it's okay. We only need an optimized through here. This line. Hopefully now it's okay. Okay. What? Uh-huh. It looks like okay, and it will output an our page URL. So that's it. Um, I don't need to. I don't need to open the console. So this is our page and post 1. Yeah. Post 2. So that's it. And I share the GitHub. Thank you.